If you're wondering how to create TikTok ads that stand out, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create TikTok ads using AdCreative AI, a powerful software that simplifies the ad creation process. Whether you're new to TikTok ads or just trying to find a faster way to get results, stick around because I'm about to show you how this tool can save you time, boost your engagement, and drive better ROI. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try AdCreative AI for free using the link below with an exclusive bonus just for you. You don't want to miss that, and I'll explain more about it later. Let's get started. AdCreative AI is a tool that leverages artificial intelligence to help you create high-converting ad creatives quickly. With TikTok's unique platform and audience, you need an ad that stands out. And AdCreative AI has the technology to do just that. The first thing you'll notice is how intuitive the platform is. Once you sign up, you can integrate your business info and goals to ensure AdCreative AI tailors your ad content to fit your campaign needs. The AI takes this information, analyzes it, and generates multiple creative designs for you to choose from, all optimized for TikTok's specific format. Now, when it comes to TikTok ads, the most important thing is capturing attention fast. AdCreative AI helps you do this by giving you designs that are visually appealing, highly engaging, and made to work with TikTok's fast-scrolling, dynamic environment. You don't need any design skills, just input your goals and audience data, and the AI does the heavy lifting for you. What's also great is that you can adjust the generated creatives. You can change the messaging, colors, and visuals based on your campaign needs. If you're testing different creatives, you can even run split tests to see which ads perform the best. This is crucial for scaling your campaigns effectively without wasting your budget. But it's not just about design. The AI also analyzes your audience data and automatically creates ads that are tailored to them. This means you're not just throwing ads out there hoping for the best. Instead, you're leveraging data-driven designs that are already optimized to resonate with your target audience. One of the best things about AdCreative AI is its speed. Instead of spending hours creating a single ad, you can generate multiple creatives in just minutes. And as we all know, time is money when you're running ad campaigns. This tool can save you a lot of both. If you're wondering about cost, AdCreative AI offers a completely free trial. But as I mentioned earlier, with the link below, you'll get an exclusive bonus, allowing you to try the software risk-free and see for yourself how powerful it really is. Before we wrap up, I'll mention again that AdCreative AI is not just about creating ads. It's about making your ad creation process smarter, faster, and more effective. The ability to scale your TikTok campaigns without losing quality or engagement is what sets this software apart. So if you're ready to level up your TikTok ads and stop wasting time on inefficient ad creation, head to the link below. Remember, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial and you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Happy ad creating.